Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Prodeli Portable Solar Energy Lamp model S1500. So essentially all it is a light bulb, comes with a little solar panel, and it looks like it connects via micro USB. So we'll check that out. You can pick this up on Amazon, good for tent camping, things like that. This battery can be fully charged by photovoltaic panel under a sufficiently sunlight condition. So let's see, maximum brightness 150 lumens, equivalent to a 15-watt incandescent lamp. So 15 watts is not really that bright, so we're going to see how really bright that is. And it has a lithium battery. So let's take a look and see what's in the box here. So we have our small little solar panel right there, and it comes with a micro USB. So I guess the lithium battery must be in here, and it powers it, charges it. And then here is the bulb. It has a little USB, micro USB connector on that end there. And it's actually not too bad. We're going to see how it performs, in a dark situation. I thought this would be good to have in a shed that we don't have any power running to. So if it does get too dark, you'll just go ahead and switch it right on. And then you can keep this somewhere and run the little cable to get the USB sunlight to keep it always charged up. So I thought that's pretty good. So that's the Prodeli model S1500 portable solar energy lamp. So we're going to check it out. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.